Hey y'all, Cedric here. Primal Punch here. I got this used lockpick set, and I got it off Amazon. You know, they say buy this used, and I got it for just really cheap. It's a already cheap set if you're buying it new, but I got it for a song. I had some Amazon credit they gave me because they messed up an order, so they gave me a gift card. And anyway, I thought I would practice, and you guys could practice along with me, or just see what it's all about, you know. So I watch television, and you see them just jiggle the deal, and the knob turns, but you don't see them rotate they call it the slug, the plug. I gotta look at the parts again. Anyway, you've got these spring-loaded pins in there, okay, and the pins are doubled up. They're separate. There's a driver pin and a key pin. The key pin is what contacts the key. Now, those pins need to be pushed until that space, the shear line is what it's called, between the two pins, the key pin and the driver pin, is lined up, and then the cylinder rotates, right? On most locks or whatever, most common locks. So I'm going to try this little padlock. The key has 4 ridges, so I'm guessing that means it's a 4-pin lock. And if the wind gets bad, then I'll kill the sound, guys. So what I'm going to use is a tension bar and a short hook. Now, you can rake these locks, but I'm going to try to feel the different pins, okay? Because the pins, they're different sizes, just a little bit. So one is going to be slightly harder than the others, and if you get that to go, then you can get this little more tension. So I just want to put very little tension, just really easy. And then I want to reach in and try to figure out which pin is going to be the most difficult. Alright, I'm getting nowhere fast with the short hook on this, so I'm going to try this other, it's a slightly smaller tool. I think it's called a half diamond or something, because this is a really small keyway, and I'm having difficulty getting that short hook in there. my first try, but it's just a little 4-pin deal. I'm hoping I'll get better. Here, let me get out of the wind. I'm hoping I'll get better at it. So that was using this little tool and a tension bar. I think that the tension bar is too beefy. It was getting in my way, and also I don't know what I'm doing. I found a free publication about lockpicking called Detail Overkill. Lockpicking Detail Overkill. And it's really good. And that was what allowed me to be able to even do that much right now. And I know that's nothing, you know, nothing much, but I'm pretty proud of that. That was pretty cool. So it took me a little bit. Hopefully I'll get faster. So thank y'all for watching. All right, live free, punch hard. All right, and do cool stuff. I'll catch y'all later. Be good to yourselves. All right, because you're worth it, and I dig you. Bye.